Hi! In front of me is Redmi A1 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Notifications and Control Center. Now tap on App Notifications and click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to disable them, like Teams. You can use the same switcher to turn them back on. If you want to, you can also click on one of your apps and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to Show Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!